In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all your Dashlane passwords efficiently in just 5 minutes. As we proceed, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and secure download of your data. Let's begin this task by first opening your web browser. You'll want to use whichever browser you're most comfortable with, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Once your browser is up and running, navigate to the search bar and type in Dashlane. Hit the Enter key and wait for the search results to load. You'll see multiple links, so make sure you open either the first result or the one that specifically includes dashlane.com in its URL. This will take you to the official Dashlane website, which is crucial for both security and simplicity. Now, on the Dashlane homepage, you'll need to locate and click on the Login option. It's usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login details. Go ahead and type in your username or email along with your password. Remember to double-check these details to avoid any hiccups during the login process. Once all your credentials are in and you've logged in successfully, you'll be in the Dashlane vault where all your passwords are securely stored. Your next move is to find the My Account section, and from there, navigate to Settings. This is where Dashlane provides various options for managing your account and data. We're specifically interested in exporting your data today, so within the Settings menu, you'll need to look for the Export Data option. Give it a click, and you'll be presented with some choices for how your data can be exported. You'll want to select Export to CSV. This is the format that'll let you easily download your credentials for use elsewhere. After selecting this option, Dashlane will generate a zip file containing your data. The file will automatically download to your computer's default download folder, usually named Downloads. Here's an important note. This CSV file inside the zip is not encrypted. Given the sensitivity of this information, make it your top priority to securely import this file to another password manager or wherever else you need it. Lastly, it's highly recommended that you delete both the zip and CSV files from your device after they've been safely imported. This ensures your passwords remain secure even if your device is accessed by someone else. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully downloaded all your Dashlane passwords. Remember, maintaining the security of your data is paramount, so follow these steps carefully. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.